Hi everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit, sharing our latest project with you. It's our Advent Calendar kit, altered in papers from the Joy to the World collection from Graphic 45. For my project, I've really picked up on the angels in this collection and created a feature with them in the centre of the Advent calendar. And I've designed this so that it folds up and gives you an opportunity to create a scene in the centre of the Advent calendar, and you can use whatever papers you like or stamp and ink your favourite images and create a scene. It can be assembled in two ways, all joined together or as three separate boxes, and this is the first video I'm sharing with you of the Advent calendar joined, as you can see in the picture here. And I use our signature black construction tape to create those hidden hinges, but you could use hardware to join the boxes as well. So if you love creating keepsakes and you like to create an Advent calendar, I'll put the links below to the kit and the papers and our signature construction tape. So let's take you through what comes in the kit. Cut from 3mm MDF, you get all of the pieces to create the three boxes, the sections for the little boxes, all of the pieces for the little boxes, and numbers from 1 to 25. And then I do use our signature construction tape to put it together. So let's take you through the project and you can see what it looks like when it's all assembled. And here it is. It comes with full assembly instructions and information on how to create acetate sleeves to go on these two front sections, so when you fold it up and store it, all the little boxes don't fall into that fabulous centre that you spent time creating. So when it's all folded up, as you can see, it's 4.5 inches deep, 9 inches high and 13.5 inches wide, and very cleverly you can stretch 12 by 12 papers just with a little extra coverage to fit that 13.5 inch length. So I did manage to get 2 sheets of paper to cover all of the outsides. You can see there and at the bottom. And then there was extra left just to do a top strip on the acetate sleeves, a side strip just to stretch that 12 by 12 paper that I've cut on the front, and then the same on the back. So on the front I've taken the signature sheet from Joy to the World. Beautiful signature sheet. Graphic 45 always give us one of those in the collection. I've literally split it in half and added it onto that front of the box. And then on the back, let's turn it round, I've done the same with that gorgeous angel paper, but not cut it. I've just taken the 12 by 12, cut it to the right depth, layered it on a black background, and then matted it over those plaid strips just to get that gorgeous picture of all of the angels on the back. And then because there was a gap in the strips, I've just added 2 little tabs here of the same plaid paper just to cover up the gap. So if you're clever, you can really stretch your designer papers to make them fit a length that is longer than 12 by 12. And then when it opens, I've used our black signature construction tape to create hidden hinges, but because this is wood, you could screw in or stick on metal hardware to create a different hinge system on the side. And then the side flaps open to give you one very long, I know you can't see it, but when it's all folded out, it's nearly 20 inches long, gorgeous Advent calendar. And then laying it down flat, let's just slide the sleeves off. They do fit quite snugly just to hold the boxes in place. And then you'll be able to see, let's just whip this one off. and there it is in its entirety. So we've got 24 little boxes, all with their numbers on. I've used the patterns and solids and one of the designer papers, and sort of mixed up stripes, the plaid and the plains, just to sort of give that pinky blue theme and extend it out from the centre. And then in each of the boxes I've just put some gold shredded paper, and then I can put the chocolates in. I can't put them in yet because I'll eat them, but this one will be filled up. And then onto the centre. In the kit you get a centrepiece that slots into the centre box, and it has an oval shape on it, and that allows you to create a sort of frame around a centre feature, which I've done here. But you don't have to use that. It was just, I quite liked having that aperture to create something in. I love the depth that it gives, and this box is nearly 2 inches deep, so you've sort of got 1 3/4 inches to create a lovely scenescape. And for this one I've really gone to town and cut out lots of bells, lots of flowers, the banner from the signature sheet, and then layered all the flowers over themselves to give lots of layers. Some of them are stuck down, some of them aren't. So you can really go to town with your fussy cutting if you love fussy cutting, or you could just cover that in one colour paper. You don't have to create fussy cut things, but it does give you enough dimension to add fir trees, all sorts of additional elements that you might want to add in, baubles. So you really could go to town and create your own scene in the box. And then in the centre here I've used an ephemera card and a cutout from the papers. I've layered up the bells so that they've got some dimension to them. We've got glossy accents on the Merry Christmas. This little angel is layered up on a little square tab so that she actually moves. I've put Wink of Stella on her wings. We've got holly leaves cut out from the paper, dotted around the edge, and then a smaller angel just peeping over the top there. And then all the way around I've done a snail trail of blue stickles, and you can see it again around the top here. And then there's sprinklings of glitter and glossy accents, some stardust, I think it was stardust stickles, and some Christmas red stickles as well. So here's a closer look at the detail, and Graphic 45 are great for giving us detail to cut out. Oldie worldy decoupage is something that I really, really love, and there is lots and lots of cutting in here. But as I say, you could be as detailed or as simple as you like. You can buy your elements to go in, you might have them in your stash, or you can use your favourite papers just to create that fabulous centre scene. I love the angel. She moves. So that is it. That is our advent calendar, altered in papers from the Joy to the World collection by Graphic 45. If you love the kit and you've got somebody to make an advent calendar for, or you just want to make one yourself, then do follow the link below. It'll take you to our website and the product page. So thanks very much for watching. Have fun making your Christmas makes. If you've enjoyed the video, do give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new projects and products as they come out. Bye for now.